and I bring this good news for you. Where we dey like this, now the entrance of Port Harcourt new Banana Highland. We just there for off Odili Road. I beg help me see Odili Road, oh, you know almighty Odili Road for Port Harcourt. And this one now just an extension of Odili Road, just 6 million naira per plot. And there for the entrance of the new Banana Highland. This one no be for Lagos today, now for Port Harcourt today. And now 6 million naira, you go collect your one plot. The good thing be say the road wey link us pass through this land. Our governor, yes, so we can beg applause for Governor Wike of Rivers State. He done they do this road, he done they fix it. What say they wait for? Just sharply call me. And the number na 090-34296519. May you collect your plot. The good thing be say you don't need to pay for any document. You don't need to pay for any matching grant. You don't need to pay for any youth. You don't understand. You don't get me. You don't understand what they talk, because everything don't they paid for. Everything your document they inside. And this one a peace of mind you won't buy. You they understand me? So that mama good news now I bring this one for you. Just sharply call me, because before this time next year, if this land don't reach 15 million, you don't understand what they talk. You don't get me, you know they get. You don't understand me at all. I say this land has 6 million. Which kind of cheap land for Port Harcourt town where you go get for 6 million? And this one just off Odili Road. See how many years ago Odili Road we just did like that. And today Odili Road now almighty. So this one, before 2-3 years time, you know go see land here buy for 50 million. So now better place to come do your investment. Maybe only one plot that they talk about. If you get money for only one plot, no problem. You can buy and build your house and live, or build a plaza, a school, whatever it is. But if you get the money, invest well. I need you to buy 5 plots. I need to buy 15 plots. I need to buy 50 plots. I need to buy 30 plots. You don't understand? If now company, if you want to use and do better business, make you buy 100 plots. 100 plots they are available for you. And we go run now. You don't understand me? We go run now clean. Nothing they happen. You feel do your investigation to get any information where you won't get. This thing they sweet me. It they sweet my body. Because I never see this kind of cheap plot before. It they do me like say, make I collect all the whole plot. But I don't go fit carry everything now. I don't go fit carry everything. So I need you to go collect your own plot. Call me for new Banana Highland off Odili Road here in Port Harcourt. And now Mercy Homes and Properties. Now they give this one. So me now mama good news. I don't bring her for you. Now good news mama I be. See now, see houses. Everything don't day. You feel buy them, you feel build, and you feel live inside with your family. So just call me, may you get your land.